Hey everyone! Welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're diving into the BLACK+DECKER 3.0 CU foot portable washer BPW30MW, a powerhouse solution for anyone looking to wash clothes efficiently without a full-sized washing machine. Whether you live in an apartment, dorm, or just need a compact laundry solution, this portable washer has you covered. With a 26.5 pounds capacity, it can handle a full load of laundry in one go, perfect for towels, bedsheets, or your daily clothes. The washer comes with 6 washing cycles, including normal, heavy, gentle, quick wash, soak, and spin, allowing you to tailor each load to your specific needs. The quick connect sink adapter and drain hose make setup a breeze, no plumbing required. Just attach it to your sink, fill it up, and you're ready to wash. One of the standout features is the transparent lid with LED display, which lets you monitor your wash cycle at a glance and track the time remaining. The compact design means it fits neatly in small spaces without compromising performance. Despite its portability, it's built for durability and efficiency, using advanced wash technology to clean your clothes thoroughly while saving water. Setting up and using the BPW30MW is incredibly intuitive. The LED display simplifies operation, and the pre-programmed cycles take the guesswork out of laundry. Whether you need a quick wash for lightly soiled clothes or a deep clean for heavy fabrics, this washer adapts effortlessly. Cleaning and maintaining it is simple too, with easy-to-access components and a smooth interior drum. If you're looking for a compact, reliable, and efficient washer that doesn't compromise on performance, the BLACK+DECKER 3.0 CU foot portable washer BPW30MW is a top choice. Don't forget to check the Amazon link in the description below to buy yours today. And, if you love detailed gadget reviews like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any future reviews.